Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life's video presentation.
Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, is a crucial nutrient your body relies on every day. It plays a central role in energy production, acting as a cofactor inside your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses of your cells. Without enough B2, your body struggles to efficiently convert food into usable energy, affecting everything from metabolism to cellular repair. Chemically, vitamin B2 is a water-soluble compound with the formula CHN4O6. Its structure forms the backbone of two essential cofactors, FAD and FMN. These molecules are embedded directly into mitochondrial enzymes, helping drive the reactions that keep your cells energized and functioning at their best. Inside your cells, riboflavin transforms into FAD and FMN coenzymes essential for mitochondrial metabolism. These molecules help shuttle electrons through the electron transport chain, the final step in ATP production. This process is vital for maintaining steady energy levels throughout your day. Your brain relies heavily on riboflavin. Neurons require constant energy, and riboflavin-derived cofactors help maintain that supply. Adequate B2 supports mental clarity, stable mood, and healthy nerve signaling. When levels drop, cognitive performance and metabolic efficiency can decline. Research shows that riboflavin deficiency can impair mitochondrial function and increase oxidative stress. Studies highlight that restoring B2 levels improves cellular energy output and supports antioxidant defenses. These findings reinforce riboflavin's essential role in metabolic health. Peer-reviewed studies also link riboflavin to improved fatty acid oxidation, better glucose metabolism, and enhanced mitochondrial resilience. Scientists continue exploring its potential benefits for neurological health, metabolic balance, and long-term cellular vitality. You can increase your vitamin B2 intake through foods like eggs, dairy, almonds, mushrooms, leafy greens, and fortified grains. These nutrient-dense options help support steady energy and overall metabolic health. For those who may not get enough riboflavin from food alone, B2 supplements are widely available. They offer a simple way to support mitochondrial function, energy production, and overall wellness. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Riboflavin may be small, but its impact on energy, metabolism, and cellular health is profound. Supporting your B2 levels can help you feel more focused, energized, and resilient. Make vitamin B2 a priority today. Your cells, your energy, and your long-term health will thank you. Stay committed to your wellness journey. Continue watching the series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website below and reach out via email today. Connect with a knowledgeable, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.